To move image in a Canva frame, let's go to our elements here to bring in a frame we want to work with. Let's come over to frame and we are going to select any frame of our choice. Let's keep this frame here and let us go back away from the frame to bring in any image of our choice, or you can pretty much bring in your image from your uploads tab here, but I want to use this image to show you how to move image in a frame. I'm just going to select this image and highlight the frame. You see the image is sitting on the frame beautifully. And now to move the image, you have two ways to go about it. The first one is to double tap the frame. See, this shows up, and if I click on done to show you the second one, you click on the frame and you come over to the sign here that says crop. You want to click on crop here, and it also does the same thing, and you can pull or reduce, or you can move. You can pull it to position the image how you want it to appear in the frame. If I resize it, you can pretty much, this window that is here allow you to see what will be shown in the frame. And if I keep it this way, you see that line is showing that the face is centered, and I can click on done when I'm done moving my image in the frame. This is how easy it is to move image in a frame in Canva.